look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or flew away. Waiting around is no waste, and counting the days is no bad.